let's compare the different sound of these keyboards. So as you know, sound can be pretty aesthetically pleasing to people, so let's just base off the sound, compare the two. So we're going to start off with this Heyday one. Very, very silent, pretty much very just neutral sound. Then we're going to go to this other one. As you can see, that's pretty loud, a pretty loud click. So overall, I think I'm going to go with this one just because it's not so loud and obnoxious, but this one is really nice if you like the sound when you're typing, if you want to hear the clicks. So I'm going with this one, but you can also try out this one, you might like it more.